Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes Benz AMG GT 63S and the Audi RS7. These two German powerhouses represent the pinnacle of luxury performance, blending supercar-level speed with everyday practicality. We'll dive into their engines, driving dynamics, interior comforts, and overall value to help you decide which high-performance machine best suits your desires. Let's get started on this exciting head-to-head battle. When it comes to raw power, the AMG GT 63S boasts up to 630 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, while the Audi RS7 Performance delivers 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Both vehicles feature sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, ensuring excellent traction and stability. The AMG's 9-speed automatic transmission and the RS7 8-speed Tiptronic both provide lightning-fast shifts, making for an exhilarating driving experience on any road. Inside, both cars offer a luxurious and tech-filled cabin. The AMG GT 63S provides a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality Nappa leather and a widescreen digital display. The Audi RS7 counters with its elegant design, Valcona leather sport seats, and dual MMI touchscreens. While the AMG offers good cargo space, the RS7 hatchback design provides a more generous 24.6 cubic feet, making it slightly more practical for hauling gear. Ultimately, both the AMG GT 63S and the Audi RS7 are exceptional vehicles, each with its own distinct personality. The AMG offers a slightly more aggressive, track-focused feel, while the RS7 blends its immense power with a touch more understated elegance and practicality. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize raw driving intensity or a more balanced, versatile luxury experience. Be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.